Through these years pursuing advanced studies in Germany, I resolutely decide to go back to homeland to search a minded and creative enterprise and develop myself with her. New thinking creates a new era. What I can see here is the most perfect state that I can imagine, concentrating on providing smart, efficient, energy-saving and environment-friendly integrated solutions of sewing for customers. China Maqi is the key point of sewing machinery industry all over the world. Research, development, and innovation are the important engines of China Maqi. Mechanical-electrical integration is a significant symbol for the transformation of China Maqi from manufacturing to manufacturing with wisdom, which injects new vitality to the production pattern changes of clothing industry for automation and intellectualization. I'm infatuated with such perspection and transformation, which means innovation and change. Craftsman spirit is the persistent pursuit of China Maqi families in their whole lives. In the hands of China Maqi families, every screw, every gear, and every part turn to the competitive edge to change the industry. What I see here is the craftsmen, while firm and indomitable, who still maintain the original intention after years of baptisms. Their daily efforts bring new innovation and promotion to China Maqi. With the extensive application of office automation system and ERP and the in-depth extension of lean management, China Maqi reaches to a more advanced level on production manufacturing. High intellectual metalworking processing line will make China Maqi strive for further improvement. Details decide the enterprise status. Every detail referring to quality makes big difference for products. Fortunately, I have realized that the stringent regulation on quality and the meticulous service for customers are the commitment of China Maqi for its responsibility. Smart, efficient, energy-saving, and clean are the factors that pave the specialty innovation and development way for China Maqi. China Maqi stands out from market competition with its high-quality special sewing machine, abundant processing lines, electronic-controlled lifetime warranty, and other advantages. What I see is not only the change, but also more likely a hope and a moving. Global distribution builds the high-end sewing equipment industrial chain. China Maqi looks forward to striving to develop harmonious and healthy high-end sewing equipment industrial chain together with all the alliance partners and offering more high-level systemized service for customers. It is now standing on the top of sewing machinery industry in China for its comprehensive strength and powerful brand charisma. China Maqi families are high-spirited and vigorous with passions and ambitions, and every undertaking of innovation, elaboration, research, and development is thriving. The grand blueprint of China Maqi has unfolded, and I will head into the glorious and resplendent future together with her.